If you're looking how to get that simple stage setup you can operate with a foot controller, we've got a walkthrough guide of the new Chauvet 4BAR LT USB. Hi, it's Chris from Full Volume. We're a retailer of entertainment, sound and lighting. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All products you find mentioned in this video you will find in the description links below. So let's jump to it. Well, today we're going to give you a walkthrough of this new stage lighting effect using the foot controller here, leaving your hands free to concentrate on your entertaining. You can either use the IRC6 remote control, which is this little baby, and you can use that with the light by itself. If you decide you want to use the foot controller, you can DMX the two of these lights together using a DMX cable, an XLR to XLR type cable. But the unique thing about these particular lights is that if you want to do it wirelessly, you can purchase a separate USB type dongle that you can plug into the back of this. It's got a USB socket on it, and you set one as a transmitter and set the slave as a receiver. Therefore it's giving you the wireless capability. So the master you can use with the foot controller, that will then send a wireless link out via the RF over to the slave unit with the other USB dongle in it. To see more about those USB little dongles, we've created a link below in the description box. Just click on that, have a look at it, and it'll give you more of an insight into it. Okay everybody, here we go with the introduction of the lighting demonstration of the Chauvet 4BAR LT. To black out, it's a single press to turn it off. To turn it back on, a single press on the blackout button again. To fade out, a single press and hold the blackout button and give it a subtle fade out. For a subtle fade back on, press and hold to fade back on. On preset colours, if you go to the auto select button, you can toggle through the individual colours one at a time. You'll have red, green, blue, white, purple and then cyan. The next step after cyan will be the snap colour chase. And then a press again on the auto button will then create the auto crossfade, a nice subtle crossfade effect. When in single colour, press and hold the auto preset button and that will go to fade. To create the sound to light, press both buttons with a single click press together. That will then go into automatic sound to light mode, and the built-in microphone will pick up the sound to create that sound chase. When it's gone from sound to light, you can come out of that, full white, a single press on the auto preset button on. To strobe it, if you press and hold both buttons simultaneous, it puts it into a strobe mode. To cancel it, press the auto preset button. But just going back to this new 4BAR LT USB, just a few highlights about it. It's using the 9-watt LEDs. Of course it's got D-Fi USB capability using the wireless master slave or DMX control. With the included tripod, the carry bags and a foot switch. Just to give you an insight into the top hat there, it is the smaller 25mm diameter top hat. It's got a dedicated lighting stand, but the lighting stand of course comes with these lights. It's as a package, and of course not forgetting there's a little bag with it. This bag as well, which is it's sort of a lightweight, it's not a stiff bag, it's a bendy bag, but of course it gives it some protection, but it keeps it nice and portable. You've got a little pocket there at the front, which enables you to just put the controller in there as well. There's also an optional facility where you can put the lighting on the floor, and there's some little triangular feet that fasten onto the ends of the fixture here. You'll see some images in the photographs at the end where you'll be able to see that those are already attached, but it enables you to put the unit on the floor and use it as an uplighter if you wish to use it that way. Just come to this side here, so I'm not standing in front of the light. It's got 3 or 15 channels of DMX, which enables you to sort of use the RGB type mode, or 15 will enable you to access the individual channels on each light, so it gives you great programmability. The light source is 12 LEDs, tricolour RGB, 9 watt, rated at 50,000 hours life expectancy. There's a beam angle of about 16 degrees with a field angle of 24 degrees, enabling you to highlight different areas on a stage or in a room on a ceiling. It enables you to got more scope. Give you an idea of the actual weight of the item as well. It's not particularly heavy, it's quite portable. You're looking at about 4.9 kilos as a complete thing. 4.9 kilos, that's quite lightweight. Come down and check it out in our showroom. To check the price, just click on the link below to go straight to our website. We hope this short video has been of help to you. If it has, please like and share. If you would like to keep up with all the great technology here at Full Volume, please subscribe. Thank you for watching Full Volume TV.